Guys, it's your boy Sam here, and I'm back with another video. And we're gonna be opening my A71 5D. So let's get into the video. So this is the case. So this is what it looks like. I'm gonna show you the cases. First case, next case, and then the next case. This is case number 3, case number 2, case number 1. So we're gonna be opening it. Do I open it from the? So you're gonna open it. So let's flip it over.
Like this.
Open it.
Okay. Okay. Ooh.
Alright, so this is the phone. So what it looks like this. This is the back. Right. Oh.
Yeah. No, right here. The plastic. Pull the cap in here.
Oh, right here. Alright, so we're going to try all cases. Put this case on. Oh, this looks cool. So this is what it looks like. It's heavy. Oh yeah, this is other stuff. There's a card in here. There's a T-Mobile card in here. So, right here. Oh, there's a charger. It says super fast charging. Dad, this is a super fast charger.
Oh, wait, what did I say?
See? Super fast charger.
Oh, okay. Next case.
Trying the case number. Oh, do we take out the? Case number 2, I believe it is. This is going to be hard to put on. I think I broke it. How do you put it on?
Push it down.
This is what it looks like.
So I'll take it out. Okay.
So you're gonna do this case?
Yeah, push it into the top here.
So this is what it looks like. This is case number 3. Oh yeah, this thing says super fast charging, guys. I'll show you. It's super fast charging.
I like this case. So which case you like the most? This one looks cool, man. Wow, look at that. Yeah, look, so cool. I think I like this case better.
I like this one.
Which one? You like the metal one?
Yep.
Look at it. Look at it, the eyeball. You have 4, 5 eyeball. Look at it. So many more to do. See the eyeball? So
There's more
5,
eyeball over here, see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18, 19, 20, 21. Does it turn on? Oh, imagine it actually had full battery.
I never said battery.
Huh?
And press this, hold down this button.
How does it have battery?
Let me see if some battery left, I think. Out there.
Oh.
You sure you like this case? I like this one. Looks so much cooler than this one. Look, see, so. So which one you like the most? Which case?
This one.
Huh? That case?
Something.
I guess the most expensive.
Yeah, this one.
It's okay.
So
Okay.
let's get
So
started.
which one you like the most?
I'm
in order.
stuck. I'm stuck. Ow, my armpit.
Okay, in order, which one you like the
I'm
most?
stuck again. This one.
Huh? And then number 2. Really? And this is the last one? Me? I like this one the most. And then second and third. So yeah, this 1, 2, 3. That's what you like.
Mhm.
Oh, okay. Okay, so which one you gonna choose? The other one?
This one.
Okay. How come you take a picture of yourself?
I don't know. Two people. Get another camera.
You haven't set up yet. Let me see. What do you say? No? Oh, not yet. Let's see.
Emergency call 1697697. We got a T-Mobile gift card.
What's that? Oh no, this is a SIM card.
What does it mean by a SIM card?
No, you need this to make phone calls. It won't work. Because I think your S7, the SIM card won't fit in this one. This one they use smaller one. Yeah, this one is I think it's a nano, tiny. Okay.
Bye guys. Oh, bye. This video. Give a big thumbs up and subscribe and out. Peace. I can't reach.